Hi guys, at Progressive today doing some training or delivering training on service accommodation. Let's have a little flick around the room. Nice busy room as you can see. Now some of the questions we've been getting today have been on dynamic pricing and why is that so important in service accommodation. And recent announcement from Oasis, their tour dates, and this is some really good learning that you should all be aware of when it comes to dynamic pricing and why it's so important. So Oasis, the band, all right, so they've gone and announced tour dates for summer of 2025. And guess what's happened? All of the Oasis fans, if they've managed to get tickets, and as you know, a lot of people didn't get tickets, and then people bought tickets and now are selling them for thousands of pounds a ticket. Well, a similar thing happens when it comes to service accommodation. Something is worth what someone is willing to pay, right? So people who have got dynamic pricing in place on their service accommodation properties, their night rates will have been automatically pushed up as soon as the demand for service accommodation in their area went up. So Oasis announced their tour dates in the capital city, so Edinburgh, London, Cardiff, Dublin, and they also included Manchester because that's where they're from. And guess what? The night rates on service accommodation properties have gone through the roof, and I've noticed on news channels that Oasis fans are complaining because the normal night rates of service accommodation properties are now doubled and actually trebled, quadrupled, because people have just got this software in place that puts the night rates up. And so it's really, really important that you do this in service accommodation. So you've got platforms like Beyond Pricing and Pricelabs, and you plug that in to your channel manager, and as soon as it notices bookings coming in across different service accommodation properties and hotels in your town, then it puts your night rates up. And you will make an awful lot more money out of service accommodation, because quite often something will be announced, there'll be a concert or a sporting competition announced or event, and it happened in the middle of the night, right? And then in the morning you think, oh, I've got booked, that's weird, I've booked, don't normally get booked that far in advance, even next year, and then you find out that actually you were booked far too cheap. Now this first happened with me back in 2017. We had a house in Swansea in 2017, and the Champions League final took place in Cardiff in June 2017, something like that. And Juventus and Real Madrid were playing in that final, and we got booking from 7 Italians in this property in Swansea, and we thought, oh, that's really cool, that's a nice booking. And then we found out that we actually could have made a lot more money on that booking. So you even want to, if you're anywhere near those Oasis gigs, and I'm talking like an hour away, to be honest, I would either implement dynamic pricing now, or at the very least block off your availability now and then release it much closer to the date, and guess what, you'll get really good bookings. So even if the event is an hour away, you still want to be aware that your night rate should be significantly increased if you want to make more money in service accommodation. So just thought I'd share that with you. People asking, recent events with the with the Oasis gigs happening in the summer of next year, and already night rates are going nuts near those venues. So hopefully that's useful, everybody. Here's to your success in service accommodation. Remember, from me, the property soldier, your future needs you. Take care.